How to create a WhatsApp channel full guide. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a WhatsApp channel for yourself. So what you're going to do is here in the top right where you see the plus icon, you're going to click on it. And once you do that, it's going to give you new group, new contact, new community, new broadcast. All right. So to create a WhatsApp channel, what you're going to do is you're going to create new broadcast. Now, once you create new broadcast, basically what you're going to do from here is you're going to add in the people you want to add in. Okay. You're going to basically create a whole channel. And obviously, you can add in as many people as you want. Whatever number of people you want to add in this channel, you can do that. And it's really simple. So once you've created the channel, you're simply going to click on create. And as you can see, what happens over here is it will create a proper broadcast list. Okay. And once this is done, you can start sending in messages, and now your WhatsApp channel is created. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can create a WhatsApp channel in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.